Just an hour from Melbourne, where the ocean slows time, here we are in Geelong. This is the gateway to the Bellarine Peninsula. Geelong is Victoria's second largest city and one of Australia's fastest growing regional hubs. Just 75 kilometres southwest of Melbourne, Geelong blends coastal lifestyle with city convenience. The region is known for its vibrant waterfront, thriving economy and relaxed way of life. From iconic waterfront views and nearby surf coast beaches to culture, sport and natural beauty, Geelong is a city that really has it all. Barwon Heads, just 20 kilometres from Geelong, a beautiful little coastal town where the river meets the sea. With scenic walking trails, boutique shops and easy access to the surf coast, you can see why Barwon Heads is one of the Bellarine Peninsula's most loved coastal towns. Just 22 kilometres from Geelong, Ocean Grove is where beautiful beaches and wide open skies take over. I'm at the front of my favourite eatery here. This fish and chip shop is absolutely beautiful. Just a couple of hundred metres from the beach as well, so come down to Ocean Grove. The great thing about all these towns on the Bellarine is that they are all very close together, usually within a 20-minute drive of each other. Just 30 kilometres from Geelong, Queenscliff is a beautiful town, a larger town. Here you can catch ferries to Sorrento, and also you catch the Tasmanian ferry from here. Welcome to Queenscliff. Located at the entrance to Port Phillip Bay, Queenscliff is a historic seaside town rich in character and coastal beauty. It is known for its grand heritage streetscapes, historic fortifications, beautiful beaches and charming harbour. Just 28 kilometres south of Geelong is Portarlington, where coastal views, calm bays and village life all come together in one beautiful town. Welcome to Portarlington on the Bellarine. As with the whole of the Bellarine Peninsula, Portarlington is extremely busy from December through February, but it's a great place for an extended vacation with great shops, beautiful food, amazing beaches, and a very short drive to all the other towns in the Bellarine. About 22 kilometres east of Geelong on the Bellarine Peninsula, this seaside town offers stunning bay views, a historic jetty, peaceful beaches and a welcoming community vibe. Abundant parks with easy access from Geelong and Melbourne, Clifton Springs is the perfect getaway. Here we are in St Leonards, 33 kilometres away from Geelong. Indented Head, as you can see here, is right next door to St Leonards and very, very close to Portarlington. St Leonards is a popular escape for beachgoers, family and anyone seeking a classic seaside tranquility close to Geelong and Melbourne. It's located 28 kilometres from Geelong on the Bellarine Peninsula, and it's known for its calm bay beaches, historic pier, coastal walking tracks and relaxed holiday atmosphere. Located between Ocean Grove and Queenscliff, just 29 kilometres southeast of Geelong, Point Lonsdale is best known for its historic lighthouse, rolling sand dunes and powerful meeting of the bay and ocean. With clifftop walking tracks, surf beaches and a peaceful village atmosphere, the town offers a raw and captivating coastal escape. Right, so my conclusions, the Bellarine Peninsula is absolutely beautiful. One of my favourite spots in Victoria. Look, this is really good. You can do this as a day trip, or you could actually do it, you could couple it up in 2-3 days. You could do a week, spending maybe a night in each place, because each little town has got little different things to offer, but it's mainly food and it's beach, yeah? So if you've got the kids, great to whip them down, to spend all day at the beach. Adults can be in the restaurants eating, perfect. Really good weekend away, or even day trips, okay? So go and check it out.